Hi there. Hope you are enjoying as we get along using our Lutterloh to make our waistcoat. We're almost through with making our waistcoat, at least cutting it. In my last posting, we placed the front pattern on our board and on our cloth. We traced the pattern with our tailor's chalk and we've done the cutting. This is the end result of the cutting. This is our front part, as you can see. Done the cutting. This is our facing, the front part. Now we make sure that we pin our darts to get ready for the sewing. Pin your darts. Remember that I folded this cloth to have your left and right sides of your waistcoat. Pin our darts quickly. Quickly, we're almost done with pinning our darts. And we traced from the pattern. There. So our front part of the waistcoat is ready for sewing. It's ready for our sewing. So we'll place that one aside. Keep it aside. We are done with the front part. Now let's cut our back part quickly. Fold the cloth too once again. Get our back pattern. Remember the back. Put the back straight part, this part, on the folded part of the cloth, which we are not going to cut. So, pin it down. Remember our half an inch. Always remember our half an inch. Pin down the pattern quickly. There. So we are ready to cut. Let's quickly cut it. I did not use my tailor's chalk, if you notice, because I used to it. But you, if you're learning, you must use your tailor's chalk. That is why I use the front part to illustrate that you must always use your tailor's chalk to draw your pattern before you cut it. Okay, so we are done. All I need to do now is to trace the darts to know exactly where I'm going to pin it and cut it. Remember how we did it for the front part, we do it the same for the back part. If that is not too clear, you could always measure it with a tape from here to here, from here to here, and measure it on the cloth. It depends on what works for you faster. So that's it. So we are done with the back part. We'll now pin that, and we are off to sew. We've done the cutting of the front and the back part of our waistcoat. So what I have to do now is to do the sewing. I hope that our waistcoat will be ready for us to wear in my next posting. Remain blessed.